Welcome back to Ferocious Education. This is Zed. Today we're going to be talking once more about Xela technologies. And today we're going to be adding new pieces of due diligence into this one, technical analysis of what I think about this one. So without further ado, let's jump right into this one. So Xela Technologies, I talked about this stock or company multiple times before. My last video is in the description below. But today we're going to be taking a look into different things. For instance, we do have one piece of news that came in today, and it says, Xela Technologies reports strong SMB user growth with over 2 times new signups. The DMR or dry sign delivered growth around 99% and 144% in the respective customer bases. International expansions continues with DMR launch in France and Germany planned in the third quarter of year 2021. Now this one here, Xela Technologies today announced that the DMR and dry sign offering delivered a record addition of new users in the second quarter of 2021. And they mentioned that they're very excited to see accelerating growth in our SMB solutions and all positive feedback we're getting across user base, said the president of Xela. We're adding thousands of new customers each month to our customer base and creating a new Xela marketplace. During the second quarter, Xela delivered on its plan to launch SMB solutions into new geographic markets with the release of Dry Sign in India and DMR in the UK. The company continues to expand its DAG offerings into SMB markets and across the international markets Xela services, with DMR rollouts to France, Germany as the next large market schedules for launch in the third quarter. Mr. Yanami concluded, "We have tremendous growth opportunity ahead of us and see multiple channels bearing fruit with new logos, cross-selling, and geographic expansions. We're rapidly multiplying our customer base every month, and they are really experiencing the benefit of our digital transformation. We're excited to leverage our technologies as we continue to roll out into additional SMB products." Now, before moving forward, if you would like to see more contents like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave notifications on. Also, don't forget to drop a like to this video. Also, at the end or at the bottom, if you click show more, you're able to join our Discord that is totally free. In terms of other news and other innovations, so about us, these folks are all about technology automation advancements. And you can even schedule a tour into their company. And they have this one thing called Office Automation powered by the Internet of Things into the Xela Smart Office. You're able to actually see a little bit more about it. So first off, you got the lobby tracking and visitor management, which welcomes guests with a fully personalized digital check-in process and a virtual lobby support that creates a memorable first impression. And also you have smart lockers. So this one here is a fully configurable electronic storage locker, provides simplicity and convenience, as well as improved process visibility of control. And then you got managed print services, from off-site on-demand printing utilization, Xela's cloud-hosted print management web portal, to on-site printer management and fleet optimization. Xela has your printing needs covered. Then you got Xela Digital Mailroom. So this one here, on-site or off-site mail and document processing, scanning, routing, streamlines mailing or mail delivery, and consolidates communication channels. Xela Digital Mailroom makes your mail searchable, shareable, and trackable, and helps to improve the information management while reducing wastes. Shipping, receiving, and logistics tracking as well. So Xela Platforms gives users easy access to our shipping, receiving, and fulfillment services that puts what they need where they need it, on time and on budget. We also have corporate hospitality and software solutions, request conference room support, beverage services, light maintenance, and more with ease of a voice command and speed of digital now. They also have smart facilities management. This one here, connected workplace technologies provide valuable insights into space utilization. They also have a really nice video if you would like to watch it. It's right here. I'm playing just parts of it just for copyrights, but basically it starts with Hannah visiting this company, and prior to that she receives a confirmation email from her email or from her whatever to check in. She scans the QR code at the kiosk, then she takes the visitor badge, goes on towards basically the meeting, and there's a locker there, a smart locker, where she can store her information or whatever things she has, paperworks. And then during the meeting, Ashley offers to order Hannah refreshments. They get delivered moments later. When she's leaving, there's an automated survey, and that basically brings everything around. Now, also, if you were to take a look into careers on their website, they're hiring in Asia, Europe and UK, and Ireland, Western Europe, Northern Europe, Central Europe, North America, and Latin America. Now, I got one thing here is this is the Americas of North America, and someone, I guess, didn't tell them that Mexico is in North America, but okay. Anyway, you're able to see just in the US and Canada, so this is the US, there's around 33 pages of them hiring. Anything mainly in customer service, in call center, in different places, including as well remote locations. You're able to also see in Canada, they're also hiring all around. This is only one page though, so around 8 different things. Program analysts, field service technicians, customer services, whether in mailroom, warehouse, shipping and receiving. So they do have a vast net there. And in terms of insiders, we don't have much to talk about. And institutions remain somewhat into this bearish thing that we get to see ever since May. Vanguard, Morgan Stanley, Royal Bank of Canada, all liquidated. So you're able to see that it seems that institutions are a bit suspicious or a bit uncomfortable holding this position. Now, in terms of price over sales and price over book, that information is for some reason not accurately available on websites. Let's move on towards technical analysis. Now, from a technical analysis perspective, we're starting to look at things that might be a little bit mixed. So first off, you got the 10 SMA being above the 30 MA, which is incredibly bullish. The price point is also between the trading action zone, between the two moving averages, and that's where most positive reversals occur, so that's another bullish thing. The price point is also above the 50 SMA at the 206. Another interesting thing to take a look at is the William percent R. The William percent R, which is very similar to the RSI or the Relative Strength Index, shows that this one is in fact oversold, meaning in terms of equilibrium, more buyers would be coming in, probably raising the stock price higher. The MACD is starting to curve upwards, which means it's a very bullish thing where you might get a reversal sometime soon in the next week or so. In terms of momentum, it's really kind of getting close to the negative point or zero, and currently it's at negative 0.23 to 0.22. And in terms of stochastic fast and stochastic slow, both are actually curving upwards, suggesting that there is perhaps a possibility for a bullish run. And in terms of the moving average bands, you get to see that this one is trading within this going upper high or increasing in positivity for the moving average bands. Currently, it's a 317, 288 in the middle, and 260 in the bottom. So it's trading within there, and the moving average up is actually going upwards, which is a bullish thing. Hopefully, it still continues to go with that trend. And on the Fibonacci retracements, and why I would like to show this one is because high frequency traders use it. Currently, there's a very strong resistance at the 279, 375, 453, 530, 641, and 782. The support is around 123. In terms of a price line action, you're seeing a very strong support at the 265. Below there, 249. Below there, 216, a very important one. And then 191, going down to 163 and down to 151 and 123. Significant resistances, you're able to see one at 310. Above there, 328. Above there, 377, 404, 435, and then upwards to around 548. In terms of analyst recommendations, we don't have any new ones, so we're going to skip this one. And in terms of my opinion, I really think that even with this good news in PR, it only jumped around 9% and kind of dropped for the rest of the day. And I really think this is mainly having to do with people that want to trade it in the last month or so, and they just want to sell. So the problem with this one here is that it has a lot of traders that are just eyeing the PRs, hoping for this bullish rerun for them to sell. And I think that the more we move forward, you're going to get more investors and less traders, so it just needs time. That's my opinion. But this company definitely looks like it's up to really interesting technological things. We still need to see some really good earnings in the next quarter, because I think that might actually give it a really good push. But in terms of currently, I'll be very cautious because there's a lot of traders that want to make a quick buck onto this one. And any bullish move seems to be met with massive resistance almost at each level. Currently 9% isn't that bad, but I do think it might need some accumulation or at least some more positive PRs to shake off these traders that are not giving room for growth for investors. What do you think about the sticker? Make sure to mention down in the comments below. Sure, subscribe and like, and have a wonderful day. Now, if you're still here on this video, make sure to drop down below and join our Discord. We have a lot of different things going on, including, for instance, members that gives picks for free. It's not pump and dumps, we just things we think about, swings, etc. We also have really exciting bots. You can actually use those ones. For instance, we're just testing out this bot, for instance, that gives you Fibonacci resistance points, activities, etc. And we have a bunch of free things, totally free. We run on tips here, and you can ask me questions, suggest stocks, etc. It's a really nice community that has been growing up very fast at a very good rate, and it's totally free. If you would like to join that one, feel free to do so in the description below, and have a wonderful day.